Hey friends, if you wish to clear the RAM cache on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Now expand this. Go to the second tab, which is the Processes tab. Go to the Memory section. You'll find Cached here, which is the cached memory. Now, if you wish to remove this, like it was 4.2 GB in my case, which is pretty high, then search for this word RAM map on Google and open the first option here, which is the RAM map software. Now it's on Microsoft.com, so it is a genuine software. Click on download RAM map. It will be downloaded to your computer. Now go to the folder, the downloads folder, right click on it, select extract all, click on extract. If you have a 32-bit computer, which is rare these days, select RAM map, the first one. And if you have a 64-bit computer, which is common, double click on the second one. Click on yes, and then you will be redirected to the software. Wait for a few seconds for it to load the details. Now I'll open Task Manager again because I need to show you the impact. We'll go to the Processes tab and the cached memory is 4.2. Now click on Empty. Click on Empty Working Sets. Click on Empty System Working Sets. Empty Modified Page List. And it will start reducing the cached files. Okay, it increased, but that is the amount which is available right now. Click on Empty Standby List and click on Empty Priority Standby List. Okay, so what is the cached memory right now? It's 210 GB. What was it earlier? 4.2 GB. Okay, now I'll close it and then I'll search for it again to give you the exact results. Go to this one, go to memory, and it has reduced to 527 or 525 or something. But as you can see, it is increasing constantly. So how do you prevent it from increasing? Go to the startup tab and arrange it by status enabled and start disabling those applications which you do not require, like this extension helper. I will remove it. Chrome, I will remove it from startup. And any other process that I wish to remove, I'll remove it from startup. And this way the cached memory will become normal. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to our channel because we really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.